Karen Bradshaw.
Come on, let's cheer.
Come on down.
Cheers in the Price is Right.
Tom Anders, come on down.
Let's get excited.
Van Olson, come on down. Linda Malamphy. Come on down, Linda. Bud Jensen, come on down. And Alda Schweinitz, come on down.
All right, come on down. Woo! Here it comes, Alda Schweinitz. All right, I am going to give you all. Do we have everybody? Let's see. Here he comes. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. We're gonna have a few more here. Ryan, come on down. Come on down. Yeah, you. And let's have you two ladies right there. Come on down. Oh, and you too. Come on down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to give you each a stick of bubble gum, and you can return to your seats till the next act for our bubble gum blowing contest. Okay? All right, we're going to see those contestants a little bit later for a bubblegum blowing contest. But in the meantime, we've got Marc Schweinitz and Reed Allen, who are going to be doing a trumpet solo entitled, what's this entitled? Okay, I'm going to put you guys in here. All right, here they go, Pirates Parade. We've got a couple more stalwarts for future roadshows. She's 5 years old. This girl is well on her way to being a concert pianist. Let's give her a big round of applause. And it looks like we are just about ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and turn the mics over to the Palo Alto Second Ward. Might be another minute before they're ready, but we will wait in anxious anticipation.
Hi, I'm Midge. I'm a typical teen. Today it's my birthday. Today I'm 16.
Knock, knock, knock.
Who's there? Oh, hi.
It's your good friend Sue with a birthday surprise.
A present for me? I'm one lucky girl. Oh, wow, a gold chain and a genuine pearl. I am a genuine birthday girl, and I've got a genuine birthday pearl.
It will remind you of how much I truly care.
Oh, I am a genuine birthday girl, and I've got a genuine birthday pearl.
And when you wear it, oh how the guys will stare.
Look how it glows and shines. I'll wear it all the time.
Putting it simply my way. Happy birthday.
I am a genuine birthday girl.
She has a genuine birthday girl.
And oh, it dropped. It's rolling under the frigid air.
It's really gone. Can't even see it.
Oh no, I can't believe it. The nicest gift I ever had. Suddenly, my birthday's very sad.
Aw, don't worry, be happy. Don't cry and don't brood. Take the teenager's cure for all trouble. Eat food.
But my pearl is gone.
But it won't help to pout. Let's check out the fridge and we'll both pig out.
Look, it's Zoltar. Remember the movie? He made Tom Hanks big. It was really groovy.
If he did that, made Tom Hanks tall, hey, put in your quarter and ask for small. If we were just this high, my dear friend Midge, we could go get your pearl from under the fridge.
Okay, it's worth a try. Zoltar, please make us 3 inches high. Oh, Sue! Know what I'm thinking? It's happening! We're shrinking! We're shrinking!
My gosh!
What are you?
I'm Max Hedrum, mayor of this zoo. You might say I'm head of the underworld grime, the leader of stuff that lives here all the time. Don't be wary, it's not scary. It's my territory, it's my turf. It's a wonder here down under. Check it out, it's Max tonight. Any night time is the right time. Out of sight time. Come on down to the greater refrigerator. See the low light at Max tonight. At the greater refrigerator. I'm the main man. I'm Max tonight. Tell me, Sue, how can I help you? What can I do?
I've lost my pearl. I'm desperate. I mean it.
Let me question my constituents. Someone must have seen it. The most likely snitches are the ants here in town. They pick everything up. they'll know if it's found. When you've given up hope and you hang by a rope, there is always a chance when you've got ants. Feed me.
It's Audrey too. So anytime you feel lost and alone, just remember that in. Oops, there goes another rhyme tree. Oops, there goes another rhyme tree. Oops, there goes another rhyme tree.
Just what makes that little ant think she'll sing a Gregorian chant? Anyone knows an ant can't sing a Gregorian chant.
Oh, I'd rather think we all can do it.
There's something there, Queen Ant. Let me be specific. Is that a genuine pearl?
Oh no, it's hieroglyphics. It's the Menlo Park State Calendar. I'll translate. Yea, so be it. Carve all your dates in stone, but don't let anyone see it. I saw the pearl roll by. Just had one quick lookie, then it was gone. Headed for the broken chips and cookies. But let's all hope the roaches haven't got it.
I'm Rocky the Roach.
I'm the pearl.
And I got her. When she rolled by, I just reached out and caught her.
Who else can we ask?
My thought patterns bring to the chips and the cookies and long lost things.
I'm just a pencil, once always sharp, shiny and new, they say. I'm just a list, a grocery list, torn up and thrown away. I'm just a penny, if I were a dime, maybe they'd look the orange juice.
Well, let's all hope the roaches haven't got her.
I'm Rupert the Roach.
And I'm still the pearl who's kidnapped by roaches my head's in a whirl.
Oh, orange juice, extend your puddle. Come help us solve our little muddle. Come please do, dear Midge and Sue, I'd like to introduce. Would you meet and would you greet the orange juice?
Can you believe it, Midge? What's underneath your fridge? Did you get the news? We are the latest shoes. Hey, I remember that morning. I picked you up for seminary.
I really didn't hear the alarm clock ring. I grabbed for the minute maid and spilled the whole thing. OJ, we're stinky and we're gooey. OJ, we're sticky to your shoe. Left down here, you pussy, because you were so fussy. OJ, here's a mix of luck. OJ, great lots of guts. OJ, orange juice and fries. OJ, got your share of flies. Hey, we're not so bad. Scoop us up sometime and try us on your pancakes.
Oh, yeah, we stuck the juice beneath the fridge and headed out fast. We never knew you'd stick around and have such a blast.
OJ, come and join our huddle. OJ, our dehydrated puddle. We are not so awful. Hey, try us on a waffle.
No matter what the season, juice is great for squeezing. Did a pearl get stuck on you?
She came, she saw, she stuck like glue. But then I heard her shout, "Help, help," quite loud. And then she vanished into a dusty cloud. But let's all hope the roaches haven't got her.
I'm Ralph the Roach, and I'm the Roach boss.
Is there no one to save me? I fear all is lost.
I know who is next. Yes, duty calls. Come on out, all you dust balls. Dust balls somewhere in your crust and your grime. Are you hiding a pearl? Committing a crime? Hey, our supreme head thinks we're really dust. He's saying we're guilty. He's making a bust. Hey, boss, we're clean. Steal pearl, no way. I thought you knew you could trust B.all-A. It's probably true. I hear what you say. But I'm curious. Why are you called B.all-A? 'Cause under the fridge, all night and all day, that's what we do. We do B.all-A. ballet all you do?
Oh no, we play football too. This year we've been invited to play Oklahoma in the Dust Bowl.
But have you seen the Pearl?
Yes, we have, and we're afraid the Roaches have got her.
I'm Rand, and we won't deny it. We've got her, you can't have her, so don't even try it.
Excuse me, everyone, but help, help, help!
Oh no, the Roaches!
Can't be bought or harassed, can't be goaded. Impossible to kill, even with raid. But oft are susceptible to a favorable trade. More data comes in. You have something to trade. You and your pal you have something of value. My data reveals that you're Mormons. How nice. So just give the Roaches the pearl of great price.
Bring it in! You take this one, and we'll take the other. For one good pearl deserves another.
Send me in, Coach. I'll convert every roach.
Teach you to do all the things that you should.
Read it and use it. You won't be the same. It'll lift you right up to a much higher plane.